transform your credit score is a gradual process that requires consistency and responsible financial habits. Here are 5 steps to help you give your credit score a makeover. First of all, check your credit report. Obtain free copies of your credit report from major credit bureaus and second, review the reports for errors such as incorrect personal information, accounts you don't recognize, or late payments that you believe were made on time. Address errors and dispute in occurrence. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureaus. Provides documentation to support your claims. Correcting in occurrence can have an immediate positive impact on your credit score. Obtain your credit reports. Request free copies of your credit report from the major credit bureaus, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can access these reports once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Review your credit reports carefully. Examine each credit report for occurrence. Look for errors such as incorrect personal information, accounts that don't belong to you, and any descriptions in your payment history. Document the errors. Make a list of the errors you find and gather supporting documentation. This include uh, receipts, bank statements, or any proof that contradicts the occurrence on your credit reports. Initiate dispute with credit bureaus. Contact the credit bureaus to dispute the errors. You can do this online, by mail, or over the phone. Provide a clear and concise explanation of occurrence and include copies of your supporting documents. Follow up on disputes. Keep track of your dispute process. Credit typically have 30 days to investigate and respond to your dispute. Check the status of your dispute and follow up if necessary. Verify corrections. Once the investigation is complete, review your update credit reports to ensure that the inaccuracies have been corrected. If corrections have not been made, follow up with the credit and provide additional information if needed. By addressing errors and disputing inaccuracies on your credit report, you can ensure that your credit history is an accurate reflection of your financial behavior. This is turn can positively impact your credit score. Remember to check your credit reports regularly to stay informed about your credit standing. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is a significant factor in calculating your credit score. Make all payments on time, including credit cards, loans, and utility bills. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Reduce credit card balances. Aim to lower your credit card balances, especially if they are close to the credit limit. High credit utilization can negatively impact your score. Paying down balance will not only improve your credit score but also save you money on interest. Check your credit card balances. Review the outstanding balances on your credit score. Take note of the balances of each card and their respective credit limit. Priorities. Paying down balances. Identify credit card with identify credit card with the highest balance are those close to their credit limits. priorities paying down these balances to improve your credit utilization ratio. Create a payment plan. Develop a payment plan to systematically reduce credit card balances. Allocate extra funds each month toward paying off credit card debt. Pay more than the minimum. Whenever possible, pay more than the minimum required payment on your credit cards. This helps to reduce the principal balance and minimize the amount of interest you will pay over time. Consider a balance transfer. Explore the option of a balance transfer to a credit card with a lower interest rate. This can help you save on interest payment and pay down the balance more quickly. Avoid maxing out credit cards. Try to avoid mixing maxing out your credit card, as high credit card balances relative to your credit limit can negatively impact your credit score. Monitor credit utilization. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio um, below 30%. Lowering this ratio demonstrates responsible credit management. Celebrate progress. Celebrate small victories as you pay down credit card balance. Seeing progress can be motivating and reinforce positive financial habits. By actively working to reduce your credit card balance, you not only save money on interest but also positively impact your credit score. Maintaining low credit card balance demonstrate to creators that you can responsible manage credit, which is a key factor in credit scoring models. Diversify your credit mix and use credit wisely. Having a mix of credit types, credit cards, installment loans, etc., can positively influence your credit score. Be cautious about opening new credit account unnecessarily, as each application can result in a hard inquiry which may temporarily lower your score. Remember that improving your credit score is a gradual process and there are no quick fixes. Consistent, responsible financial behavior over time will have a positive impact on your credit worthiness. Regularly monitor your credit report, stay on top of payments, and be strategic about credit utilization to maintain a healthy credit score.